Hey guys, it's December here at Waterjet and just wanted to take a minute to show you around. It's a flurry of activity here. We've got 5 or 6 tanks in our fabrication department right now. We've got 1 or 2 in paint. There's 3 machines over in our contributor and ward kit build area that are going on right now. And down in our final assembly bay, we've got a couple of custom systems that are really neat that I'd like to show you. So what I've got behind me is an R series, but it's a little different than what we have on our standard Rs. The guys back here are working doing the last final function checks on this machine, and they're gonna get ready to tear it down and ship this afternoon. So this particular unit has got 26 feet of travel in the X direction and 16 feet in the Y, which is a bit custom from our standard product line. It's going to an aerospace customer that had some pretty specific requirements, so let's take a look at what they got. So being an aerospace application, one of the key requirements for this job was that all of the parts were serialized and tracked throughout the entire production process. So this might look a little atypical from our standard cutting head setup. In here we actually have a peen marking system, which will go through and fully serialize all of the parts before they're cut. And then the Waterjet will then move in and then cut out and free each of the parts from the plate. So this contraption that we have here is an automated marking assembly. So it's actually fully shielded and shrouded and protected from the abrasive Waterjet environment when it's cutting. And then these trap doors open up, the mechanism comes down and it does the marking operation when it needs to. So the cross beam and the peen marking system is far from the only thing that's unique on this system. The guys that are building this have got some of the engineering drawings up here for reference because there's a lot going on with this machine. And one of the coolest things is actually the split tank design. So you'll notice most of our tanks are one-piece construction, but this one actually has an aisleway right down the middle. So again, this end user had a very specific requirement and a very specific material size. We're able to fit that piece of material in each of these tanks and then give him entirely full access down the middle. So his operators can get in there, inspect parts, clamp parts, fixture parts, all to facilitate the ease of use of this entire system. So to go on with ease of use in the twin tank design, we've got a lot of plumbing that's going on behind me here. So this is actually a ballasting and leveling system for this gigantic water table. I've got 4 diaphragm transfer pumps here, 2 of them feed each machine. What this will allow them to do is raise and lower the cutting level or the water level in that table about 8 or 9 inches to make loading material easier, and then more importantly, flooding the tank so we can cut underwater to keep this process really clean and quiet. So as you can see, there's a lot going on here today, and even though we might have 20 standard machines in our product line, if you've got a special application, we love engineering, we love customization. So if you need something more than just a Waterjet for what you're trying to achieve, give us a call.